Alright, so welcome to Pbteck, and in this video I'm going to give you the DStv Tanzania customer care number. So if you are finding any problem on your DStv decoder, or you want to activate any decoder and you need to call the DStv Tanzania customer care, all you got to do is to pick up your DStv remote. The number can be changed from time to time. I'm going to put the number on your screen, but for you to change it, check the current number, all you got to do is to pick up your remote. You press on the blue logo on your remote, which will take you to the DStv menu. Use the arrow left and right keys and you look for help. So when you find help, all you got to do is to come to the first option, press on it, which is the contact us. And on this page, you use the arrow left and right keys and then put it on a call option over here. And then use the arrow down key to search from the list to get to know the Tanzania number, which will be on your screen as well. So you come to the T column. Alright, so that is it, plus 255 over there. So you have 3 different numbers over there. So you pick one and then you call. But make sure that you have enough airtime to actually complete whatever you need to discuss with them. So that's it. If you find this video helpful, all you got to do is subscribe and hit the bell icon. You lose absolutely nothing by subscribing. Thanks for watching.